Hi students, let us try to understand electrophilic substitution reaction. That is also grade 11 student NCERT we are taking, grade 11 NCERT. Right. If you talk about the electrophilic substitution reaction student, that is substitution means replacement. In last video also I told you replacement. Okay. Replacement of one group by other group. And electrophilic means by electrophile. Okay. By electrophile. So electrophilic substitution means replacement of any group by electrophile. Let us see student what the point is all about. The common electrophilic substitution reaction of arenes are nitration, halogenation, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction which attacking reagent in electrophile. E positive is attacking reagent, right? The point number 1 is nitration. Okay, that is what we are talking about, nitration. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, that is nitrating mixture. Okay, nitrating mixture. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated. Benzene is heated with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So at around this is the 323 to 333 Kelvin temperature you are heating the benzene with the nitrating mixture, so it is giving the nitrobenzene, friends. Okay, so this is all about the reaction. How the reaction, if you want to write the reaction, this is the benzene. Okay, benzene, and you are going to treat this compound with what student, that is concentrated HNO3, and together you are going to take concentrated H2SO4. So you are going to get the compound student, that is what is known as nitrobenzene, NO2, and together it is going to release what going to release student, water is also getting released. Now the important things which we have to understand is mechanism, friends. How can we able to understand mechanism? So that is mechanism is what electrophilic, this is what student, this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This is mechanism is electrophilic substitution reaction. This is what the mechanism is all about. Dear friend, here you see this electrophilic substitution reactions involve into following step. Step number 1. Step number 1 means what student? Formation of electrophile. This is what? Formation of electrophile. This is what? Formation of electrophile. Dear friend, if you talk about formation of electrophile, so how it is formed? The nitric acid is there, HNO3, and then sulfuric acid there, H2SO4. Right? So it is going to give what it is going to give student. This is the NO2 positive it is going to give, and secondly it will give, that is H3O positive, and lastly it will give HSO4 minus. Or how it is going to form, let us try to understand. OH and NO2 is there, OH and NO2 plus what is there student, here we are having, that is HOH, and we are writing that is SO3H. These are there. Up here is, this is lone pair electrons are there, and this lone pair electron are taking this one, so this bond is shifting here. So you are seeing this is what is there student, what is forming, this is forming, that is H, here is O, this is H, this is the NO2, and here is the positive charge, and secondly it is forming, that is HSO4 minus. Okay, so this is what the that is how the we are representing H, this is one, SO4 minus, this is we are representing. Now you see this one, if you are taking this one, so this bond is going to break student, and if you are breaking this bond, so it will form, that is H2O, and that is it is going to give, that is NO2 positive charge. This NO2 positive charge, this is what is known as student electrophile. This is what is electrophile. Okay, now the formation of electrophile we understood. Now step number 2. If we talk about step 2, this is the attack of electrophile, friend. Attack of electrophile. So dear friend, let us try to understand attack of electrophile on benzene. Okay, benzene. Dear friend, this is the benzene ring we are having. This is the benzene ring, right? Either you try to maintain structure in different form. This. So let us try to understand this. And here is what is there, NO2 plus is there, right, this is there. Now if you are attacking this one, student, so each carbon of benzene ring have the one hydrogen. So here you can try to understand here what will happen. This is the bond is there, right? This is the bond. So what will happen, friend, this is the bond, in this bond, okay. So if you are attacking this one, so here what will happen, this is NO2 and here is what is there, H, okay. Since this both the electron is going here, so here will be the positive charge formation will take place. Step number 3, okay. So this is step number 3 is what, student, removal of proton. No, this is removal of proton, student. We are going removal of proton. So how the removal of proton will be taking place, student? This is the intermediate of, this is nothing but carbocation, okay. So let us try to understand removal of proton, student. This is the NO2 group, here is H, this is positive charge. If you are having the base HSO4 minus, this is nucleophile, it is going to attack on this hydrogen and then this bond is shifting here. So what the product is going to form, student, this is the product is, here is NO2 group, this is the NO2 and here is the bond, and then H2SO4 is as it is as a catalyst out. So this is what is known as, student, nitrogen. This is the mechanism. Here you see, students, what are there, NO2 is there, H2SO4 is there. So what is the, this is the, when this is taking the hydrogen, so it is forming nitronium ion and HSO4 minus. This nitronium ion losses the water molecule to form the NO2 H3O plus HSO4 minus. When it is attacking, so that is a carbocation is forming, and when the replacement hydrogen is taken by the base HSO4 minus, that is the nitrobenzene is formed. So this is all about the reaction mechanism of nitration, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, friend.